next. You stand back.
You got them? Oh, you're nude.
Yeah.
I see you have a big snow pile, and I was wondering if you would like me to make a snowman.
No, I'm good. Thank
It's
you.
only $10 an hour.
$10 an hour?
Yeah. It'll eliminate this ugly pile of snow, and you'll have a nice looking snowman.
We're good. Yeah, we're not into the arts.
You're good, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I don't need a snowman.
How about we make a big giant snowman out of this pile?
That'd be a lot of work.
Well, I do charge $10 an hour.
What's that?
I charge $10 an hour.
$10 an hour?
Yeah, well, you know, I do it for a living.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. You're not interested?
No, thank you.
Instead of snow blowing, I could make you a giant snowman. I charge $10 an hour, and I'll make you a nice designer snowman. It'll clear up all that snow for you.
I know him though.
You want me to make you a snowman?
Sure.
A giant snowman?
Absolutely.
$10 an hour.
All right.
Yeah? Oh.
Sorry.
That's all right. How about I make a nice big snowman for you out of this pile?
Be good. I don't know.
Yeah, I do charge $10 an hour. it helps kind of, you know, compact it, eliminate it, and get it into a nice designer snowman. I could do it on your front lawn if you'd like.
No, thank you.
All right. All right, well, I'll have a nice day. I figured since everybody has already been shoveling, I could make a big giant snowman out of that pile on your lawn for you. $10 an hour, that's it. Make you a nice designer snowman. What?
That's okay.
It's okay, I can?
No.